whenever there's an illegal extension on a property in a sectional title unit, it can actually hold up and delay the transfer process. What is the process to rectify that?
Well, we're finding that a lot in community schemes where people throughout the years, 10, 15 years ago, enclosed patios, balconies, due to weather. They might want to be more protected, whether it's in Johannesburg for the cold or the wind in Port Elizabeth. But people are closing it up, and then when they want to sell the property, either the body corporate or the trustees or the managing agents inform us as the conveyancers that there is an unregistered section the unit has, and they will not give us clearance figures, levy clearance figures, before that unregistered section has not been registered. Now, firstly, there's a delay in the process because we're not going to get levy clearances to register. So the managing agents can definitely halt the process. In most cases, we find that at AGMs, owners have been informed that unregistered extensions must be registered. So they are aware of it, but obviously when we get the offer to purchase, we only pick it up, and it's never too late. If you do know that you have an unregistered section, please contact us and let us just advise you.